Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into one of the most critical aspects of banking in India, priority sector lending. Have you ever wondered how banks contribute to the economic development of India beyond just providing loans and credit cards? Well, PSL is the answer. It ensures that credit reaches the most vital sector of our economy, agriculture, MSMEs, weaker section and much more. In this video, we will break down PSL targets, sector-wise allocation, RBI guideline, and how banks meet these mandates. So whether you are a banking professional or a student preparing for exam or just a curious mind, this is the ultimate guide you need. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Before we dive into the numbers, let's first understand what exactly is PSL. What is priority sector lending? Priority sector lending is a mandate set by the Reserve Bank of India that direct banks to allocate a specific percentage of their total lending to crucial sector that drive economic growth and financial inclusion. When we think, why is PSL important? So the answer is to encourage inclusive economic growth, support weaker section of the society, provide financial support to sector that may otherwise struggle to get credit, help in rural development and employee generation. Imagine a country where bank only lend to large corporation and urban businesses. What happened to farmers, small business owners, startups? PSL ensure that everyone gets a fair chance at financial support. PSL target for different banks. PSL target are different to different type of banks. Like scheduled commercial banks have PSL target of 40% of ANBC or CEOBE. Regional Rural Bank, it has 75% PSL target. Small Finance Bank also have 75% PSL target. Foreign banks with less than 20 branches, PSL target is 40%. And foreign bank with more than 20 branches have 40%, but it is in phased implementation. When we called it ANBC, it stands for Adjusted Net Bank Credit, and CEOBE, credit equivalent of balance sheet exposure. As you can see, the PSL targets are very depending on the type of bank. RRBs and small finance bank have the highest target of 75% of ANBC, as they primarily serve rural and small scale financial needs. RBI also decides sector-wise PSL allocation. In agriculture, PSL target is 18% of ANBC. For MSME, it is 7.5% of ANBC. For weaker section, 12%. Housing, when we discuss is housing in PSL, it is called as affordable housing loan. It's variable. We will discuss it in separate video. For education, there is no specific target, but when we give loan to for education, it comes under PSL. Renewable energy, up to 30 crore per borrower comes under PSL, and export credit up to 40 crore per borrower. Direct lending to the farmer, we will say it 8% for scheduled commercial banks, and a small and marginal farmer 10% for small commercial bank. It comes under in agriculture target, that is 18%. Bank should have given to 10% to small and marginal farmers. Agriculture alone has a massive allocation of 18%, and within that RBI gives special focus to small and marginal farmers. Why? Because they form the backbone of our rural economy. In 2020, RBI also include loans to startups and renewable energy projects under PSL to encourage innovation and sustainability. How bank meet PSL target? Bank can meet their PSL target through direct lending, providing loans to PSL eligible sector, indirect lending, investment in PSL compliant bond and securities, priority sector lending certificate, buying PSL credit from other bank, contribution to the RIDF fund. Bank that struggle to meet PSL target can purchase priority sector lending certificate from other banks that have exceeded their PSL requirement. This is similar to a carbon credit system but for lending. What happens if bank fail to meet PSL targets? They must deposit the shortfall amount into the Rural Infrastructure Development Fund managed by NABARD. This money is then used for rural development projects like road, irrigation and education. When we discuss recent PSL updates and RBI guideline, so recent PSL updates are now startups also included under PSL. Increased lending limits for renewable energy and healthcare infrastructure. Special focus on women entrepreneur and self-help groups. These updates ensure that PSL evolve with the changing economic landscapes. Startups are now recognized as priority sector, boosting India innovation ecosystem. How PSL impact on the Indian economy? It strengthens rural and agriculture development, boosts MSME creating jobs and entrepreneurship, promote financial inclusion, reducing wealth inequality, support renewable energy, aiding India's sustainability goals. Imagine the ripple effect. When a farmer gets a loan, he can invest in better equipments, increased productivity, and contribute to the economy. When an MSME gets credit, it can hire more employees and scale up. PSL is not just a banking mandate, it is a tool for national growth. Conclusion and key takeaways. Key point of this PSL chapter is mainly is we learn from this video that PSL ensure that banks lend to essential sector for economic growth. Different banks have different PSL targets. Bank can fulfill PSL via direct lending, investments and buying PSL certificates. RBI continuously update PSL norms to support evolving financial needs. PSL is a crucial for financial inclusion, rural development and economic stability. And that's wrap up our in-depth discussion on priority sector lending. If you find this video insightful, helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also drop your question in the comment box and I will be happy to answer. Remember, knowledge is power. See you in the next video.